Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Today Friday market June 30th 9:16 am. After 1 minute of market open, buy call generated, green color candle open. Daily basis, every day it will analyze market movement and generate calls in live market. Today buy call generated, so green color candle open. Buy call came at 44,617. First target is a 100-point target, second target is a 200-point target. To be exact, 44,729. It's a 112-point target. Like this every day it will generate calls in live market automatically. It's a automatic buy sell signal generator. In live market you will get calls. You can watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. For plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. 30 minutes trading. Within 30 minutes, first target breakout, 100-point momentum. Like this, today buy call generator and break out the target. Nifty 1 minute chart. Nifty is a 45-point first target. So 19,141 entry point line. Straight white color line from green color candle. That is our entry point line. Above green color lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. First target 19,188. It's a 47-point first target. This also 20 minutes of trading. First target breakout. Like this today call generated in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty in 1 minute of market open. At 9:16 buy call generated in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.